Container Spain trade 27. Before we had the Baltic second officers for 40,000 euros, yes, but now we are expecting to get 50 aroundish. Well, for the same wage we have approx Filipino, it is $3,500 times 12 is something like 45. Yeah, and then we can under Spanish flag have also 41k a second officer today being paid in a banca company with the Spanish flag, not required English. So really, there's a lot of feeder ships around Spain, around Europe. Why not change the language and change the flag towards Spanish? Well, you need to speak Spanish then. Well, go ahead and contact us. The Spanish flag, it is like the most bureaucratic country in the planet, and therefore it is like 7-8 ministries involved, Social Security, and then we have the income tax, and then the immigration, and then the working permits, and then we have the contracts, and then we have the equality, and then we have disabled legislation, and then we have many constraints that are not in other flags, like for example data protection. So it is really hugely bureaucratic flag, and this is complicating things, but in reality we have a 90% employer social security grant. So instead of paying 27% approx, the owner pays 2.7. That includes unemployment, retirement, pension, sanitary assistance, the whole family cover, and so on, which is the best social security system in the planet. Yes, that's why like 3 million more inhabitants we have in Spain in the last 3 years, and that's going to grow and grow and grow. So why not take advantage of these barriers, of this talent retention if your ships are traveling around here, because it is ESG, corporate social responsible, transparent, goodwill, investment in the brand of your company, employing a local crew, and local Spanish now is 4.9 unemployed million. I know that the quality of those is like 0, and the training of the public system is 0, but the government is opening now towards immigrants. Why? Because we need them. No one wants to work in Spain. They want to get paid for not working, but the government is opening the doors. That's why we had 3 million now. We need to pay your pension, my pension, so we need immigrants to pay for that. The unemployed, they are not going to work, only get the dole. Therefore, please consider this Spanish flag very seriously for your container feeder ship, because it is going to be a solution long term, and you can avoid the risks that we have in this planet. Thank you. Bye.